Hey, this is Jared with Data Connector, and in this video I'm going to be covering the load step in the data pipeline creation process. And this is really just the finishing touches of our pipeline. So first thing I'm going to do is name the pipeline. And since I'm doing a QuickBooks pipeline, I'll just name it QuickBooks Test. There's a couple of options on updating. I can append to the data that's currently in the destination, or I can replace that data. So I'll just leave it at replace. And you can also filter out the date range of the data coming in. So if my data had a date in it, I can choose that date and date range and filter my data according to that date range. I can also set the schedule of how often I want my pipeline to run. I'll leave mine at daily, and I'm actually going to change it to 6 a.m. And then for notifications, I can put in my email address every time I want to be notified of a success or an error, or I can choose which I want to be notified of. The last thing I'm going to do is do a test. So I'll click this button and wait for the test to occur. After my test is complete, I can see that I'm getting information about the test. And ultimately, this line is telling me that it finished loading 26 rows, so I know the test worked. The last thing I'll want to do is deploy, and after I deploy, I should see my newly named pipeline. You can see right here that I now have this QuickBooks Test